Hello everyone and welcome to this video where we'll be guiding you on the top 5 best travel credit cards to maximize rewards and benefits. So stick around to the end so you'll make your choice at the end of this video. So kicking off our list at number 5 is the Platinum card from American Express. This card boasts of a 4.7 star rating from Forbes Advisor. With a pricey annual fee of $6.95, it's definitely an investment. But for that, you get a solid welcome bonus of 80,000 points. Plus, you gain access to premium perks like airport lounge access and travel credits. If you're looking for luxury travel experiences, this card might be for you. And to be eligible, you'll typically need an excellent credit, generally considered to be a score of 700, 720 or higher. At number 4, we have a Chase Sapphire Reserve. This card comes with a 4.9 star rating from Forbes Advisor. It has a $550 annual fee and a 60,000 bonus point welcome offer. The Sapphire Reserve is known for its excellent travel benefits, including travel credit, airport lounge access, and strong point earning on travel and dining. This card is a favorite among frequent travelers, but to qualify, you'll typically need an excellent score similar to the American Express Platinum. Moving up to number 3 is the Capital One Venture X Rewards credit card. This card also has a 4.9 rating, but it comes at a cheaper annual fee of $3.95. Now for this annual fee, you earn 75,000 bonus miles as a welcome offer. The Venture X offers fantastic travel perks including airport lounge access and travel credits. If you want premium travel benefits at a slightly lower cost, this is definitely a great option. And the good news is that the credit score requirement is a bit more flexible. You'll generally need a good to excellent credit. Near at the top, we have number 2, City Strata Premier Card. This card has a 5-star rating from Forbes Advisor, making it a top contender. With just $95 annual fee and a 75,000 bonus point offer, it's a great value. The Strata Premier earns strong points on travel and everyday spending, making it a versatile card for maximizing rewards. And you'll typically need a good to excellent credit to qualify, similar to Venture X. And finally, at number 1, we have the Chase Sapphire Preferred Card. This card also boasts of a 5-star rating from Forbes Advisor. With a $95 annual fee, you get 60,000 bonus point offer. It's an excellent choice for those new to travel rewards or looking for a solid all-round card. The Sapphire Preferred earns valuable points on travel and dining, and it's a great way to start your travel rewards journey. And the best part, you might be able to get approved with good credit, typically a score of 670 or higher, thus making it more accessible to a wider range of travelers. And there you have it, the top 5 credit cards to maximize your rewards and benefits. So remember to choose the card that best fits your travel style, spending habits, and credit profile. So if you found this video guide helpful and you have a choice from our list, let us know and thanks for watching.